Is it true? Is it true what happened to Alex? We must inform the father. Kailangan asikasuhin natin to.
It's done. Nagawa ko na. I'm sorry, I'm just preoccupied sa nangyari kay Velma.
Sorry, ma'am. Pero kailangan niyo na umalis.
Subukan niya lang!
Hindi ako aalis dito! I built this empire!
Subukan! Will not touch my wife!
Sitiwan niyo ako!
Ano ba na kasi nakasulat dyan?
Sorry, sir. Sumusunod na po sa utos.
Eddie, do something! Tawan mo ko!
My hands are tied. Kakausapin ko si Mama.
You're useless! Huwag ka magpapakita sa akin mamayang gabi pag uwi mo! I don't wanna see your face!
Sige na.
No! Bitawan niyo ako! Help! Let me go!
Kung kakausapin mo lang ako tungkol sa pagpapalayas ko sa kanya sa kumpanya.
You did the right thing, Ma.
What? I thought kukontrahin mo ko sa ginawa ko. Nagising ka na ba sa bangungot mo?
Seems like it.
What is happening, Eddie? Bakit biglang nagbago ang ihip ng hangin?
Hindi ko na alam kung paniniwalaan ko, Ma. Sarili kong asawa, parang hindi ko na siya kilala. Lalong-lalo na ngayon when all the evidence is coming to surface.
Get to the point, Eddie.
I think Velma killed Helena.
What? How can you say that? You mean, lahat ng binibintang ni Shari sa kanya is true after all?
Hindi na ako natatakot sa inyo. Lalo na alam kong hawak ko yung katotohanan.
Papatayin muna kita bago mo kami masirang mag-asawa.
Saan nakuha yan?
Someone just sent it to me. Hindi ko alam kung sino. One thing's for sure, though, Ma. Si Velma ang pumatay kay Helena. That's all because of me.
Did you love her? Was it a one-night stand? Patunay lang that I wasn't enough for you.
Mama, I was weak and that Helen girl, she saw right through me and she used it against me. Inakit niya ako nilande thinking na makukuha niyang pangarap niya by destroying what we have and I fell for it.
Whoever sent this video wants to destroy us.
No, nothing can destroy us. Not then. Not now. Not ever.
Hindi ka pa rin ba bilib sa paglilinis ko ng kalat? Ilang beses ko na bang winawalis yung sayo?
Pinatay ni Velma Imperial si Helena Alfonso matapos niyang malamang pinagsamantalahan ng asawa niya si Eddie Imperial, ang kapatid ko!
May kinalaman si Velma Imperial at Eddie Imperial sa pagkamatay ni Helena Alfonso.
Hindi nagpakamatay si Helena Alfonso. Pinatay siya ni Velma Imperial.
This is my fault. Just because I slept with another woman, I did this. It is my fault my wife is a murderer. Ma, I just